Hi guys, it's a morning walk. So we're going to the farm. Maybe it's like 10 minutes walk going there. So we're here guys. So this is our farm. My parents' farm guys. So this is our small kubo or a hut. So it's not done yet. This is my mom. Her name is Josephine. Mang, say hi. Mang, mo hi.
Hi.
And my brother. So we're gonna cooking and preparing our breakfast. So this is our farm. My mom is very hardworking guys. She always planting vegetables. Hi guys, so I'm gonna give you a tour at my mom's garden. Yes. So look at this one. It's bitter gourd. Yeah guys, it's bitter gourd. Yan. And there's another one. And this one, I think it's bottle gourd. Upo sa Tagalog. And this one is a luyot. So we have a lot of vegetables here. Look at that. Oh no, it's not bottle gourd, it's patola guys. Patola pala yun. O diba? English pa more. Pambihira. And of course, we have an eggplant. Yeah, an eggplant guys. Yeah, marami kaming talong. Eggplant. This is delicious guys, like tortang talong. Wow, with egg. And okra. Okra guys. What's the English of okra? Ooh. And that one is pomelo tree. It's pomelo tree. And marami ring banana over there. And cassava. So let's go here. Lemongrass. And there's I think this one is, oh my god, it's an eggplant. But it's not purple one. Let's go over there. Yeah. And onion, green onions. And alugbate. This one is radish. And maraming okra. Okra. Yeah. And oh my god, there's a chicken. Oh, so cute. Hey. And wow. Green onions. I think this one is bell peppers. And there's a string bean. Yeah, that one is string beans. And this one is coffee. Marami kaming guys, coffee tree. Yeah. So maybe someday it's gonna be ano tawag nun, magkaroon ng maraming bunga. Yeah. And that's the cornfield. Later on, I'm going there. So I'm gonna show you guys. Cold weather. And foggy in the morning. Even in the afternoon. Look at the view. Daming chicken. Native chicken. You like it, guys? Yeah. And this one, they have piglets, but it is, and this, my brother's piglets. So, ang lalaki na nila, diba? And, bakal ko. 100. Mahal na, subong ka, hindi pasang season.